Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work it.
What's up, Angel? Where we at, Angel? Where we at, Angel, huh?
I know you're gonna buy me food today?
Buy you food? I ain't buy you nothing.
I want some ribs, nigga.
You want some ribs? Well, good luck with that. Ooh. Yes, sir. How's it going? Ah, there we go. We got everybody outside. Owner, you ain't racing nobody.
I'd like to take this opportunity to induct into the 2020 Hall of Fame our first inductee, Jake Moe from Mo Fabco. Jake? Woo! Jake! Jake, you're inducted into the 2020 Hall of Fame. We got a nice plaque for you. We've got a Joe's Mini Bike Reunion cap, and it's got a little Hall of Fame notice on the side there. I want to personally tell you, Jake, that not only have I enjoyed our friendship over the years, but I've been privileged with the fact that you've actually built bikes for me. A couple of them are on display at the Mo Fabco booth now. Our friends from Go-Kart USA, they were here helping us in a lot of ways ever since we first started off. So I'd like to give Al and Mario and all the guys from Go-Kart USA a thanks. They provided us with a American Racer bike. Jake's had that for a couple of years, and he did a really nice job with it. He's not quite finished because in Jake's mind, he's never quite finished ever. You can ask Courtney. But if you guys can take a moment and give a nice round of applause for Jake Moe, inducted into the Joe's Mini Bike Reunion Hall of Fame 2020. Woo! Jake, say a few words for us. I know you like to talk a lot, but you do so much for this hobby. You do such a great job. What is it about the mini bikes that keeps a guy like you so passionate after all these years?
I don't know, I just, you know, I'm into the mini bikes, and I don't know, it's just, when you get out there and ride them, the fun you have, it's, I don't know, there's nothing else like it. I guess it's like anything else.
Jake's been on the podcast probably more times than me, but you get a little bit of the creative from your mom. Your dad was obviously into bikes too. Now you've got the family. You're pretty much running whatever's happening up there in the AV. Jake, I think that there's a lot of guys out here like me would like to say thank you for all you do. Thanks for keeping up building the greatest bikes out there. Thanks for being such a cool guy. And thanks for keeping the hobby alive. It's guys like you, hopefully, and many others that we're going to be joining you in the Hall of Fame. But thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. Jake Moe, everybody. Yeah.
We got a camera recording a camera right now. We have Joe.
Okay, our next inductees are going to be for the class of 2021. Can I get Bing Flores and Daryl Big Daddy Smith up here to join me? Daryl?
Woo!
Bing? I see Bing. Where's Big Daddy? There he is. Okay, guys, you talk about a couple icons. Every Friday night, this gentleman hosts a ride in Los Angeles. It's called Honda Grom Lifestyle. How many Honda Grom Lifestyle fans we got out there, right? Like little kids, we look forward to that. You know, in the midst of all of our jobs, whether you're a fireman or you sell booth space like me, or you're a doctor or you're working hard, Friday night's our night. We look forward to it from Thursday on. There's no agenda. There's nobody asking you about why you didn't do this or why you didn't call. It's like everybody's happy. Everybody's having a good time. We roll out about 9 o'clock. We come back home about 1 o'clock. We'll ride hours and end up having a hamburger some way. But I got to tell you, I've never met such a great group of guys. I've never met such a group of talented guys. And I know that all this stuff doesn't just miraculously happen. It happens usually because there's one or two guys driving it. And guys, you know how much Bing does. Help me in welcoming into the class of 2021 Joe's Mini Bike Reunion Hall of Fame, Bing Flores, everybody. Thank you. Yeah, Bing! Congratulations, Bing. Hold on, I got a hat for you. We all know that guy.
Thank you.
Not only is Bing intimately aware of all of us that ride, but he's He runs shotgun with all of the big sponsors, whether it's Biggie, Yashimura, or guys at Steady Garage. Everybody knows Bing. I got to tell you, between all the guys asking, where are we going? Where are we going to eat? I don't want to go there. It's a lot of stuff that people pour on him, and he takes it with a smile. He's my kind of guy. I want to say he's probably one of my better friends. Bing, say a little bit to the guys, won't you?
Thanks everybody for coming in Joe's Mini Bike Reunion. We'd like to thank Joe for having us once a year to get all together. And without Joe, we won't have this. So I really appreciate it. Join us on our Friday night rides. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Bing. There's an open invitation from the man himself. Our next inductee into the 2021 Hall of Fame is a guy that, again, I've been lucky to have a relationship with. He's helped me with a lot of my projects, whether it's build up motors from scratch, or me bringing in one of my old tacos that needs a wheel alignment, or helping me with one of my bikes. I rode with him on one of the more recent rides that Long Beach Sprocket put on. We had a great time. I'm still trying to catch up with him or stay with him. This is a guy that's affectionately known as Unk to many of you guys who know him. I know him as Daryl. I know him as Big Daddy, but I know him more as a friend. Daryl, on behalf of everybody here, I want to congratulate you as well and induct you into the Hall of Fame of 2021. Let me grab your plaque if I could and your hat. Daryl, congratulations being inducted into the 2021 Hall of Fame. There's a plaque for you. Let me give you a handshake. I also want to give you one of these hats. This may be your second one, but you sweat and you work hard, so you probably need to. And Daryl, if I could, again, thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Thank you for so much for what you've done with that community, particularly the guys in LA. All you guys with the LA bikes, you know this guy. Taking some video right now is a young man who I met a long time ago at Daryl's, Day-Day. Day-Day not only hung around with Daryl and learned a lot from him, but he's going to be one of the hottest video photographers out there covering the sport. I couldn't be any prouder of Day-Day, watching him grow into a successful young man. And he's just an example of the type of guys that have been mentored and have been friends with Daryl over the years. Daryl, congratulations, and thank you so much for what you do.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you, everybody. Day-Day. That's right. It's about time.
Woo!
No, but thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, if you need any engine work done, or if you'd like to at least talk to somebody who can get it done right, check them out. Big Daddy Motorsports. Daryl, congratulations. Thank you. All right, folks, in 2021, I'm going back to just one inductee into the Hall of Fame, because I do think that there is the inductee to the Hall of Fame, and he deserves the single focus, and that's how we traditionally had started it, was just one Hall of Famer. So I'm going to go back to it this year, because I don't come to the last one.
Charles built his last bike.
Like you're running the 28 on your Predator, or was it a Tilly? It was a Tilly.
What's up, Paul?
What are you talking about?
Some shit on clean, right?
Where we at with a 9?
What's good, everybody? We on the Life of Day-Day right now. Tuning in live from Joe's Mini Bike Reunion in Locker Center, TV Park. Shout out to Joe's for having Fast Lane. And shout out to all the vendors and everybody who pulled up to Joe's Mini Bike Reunion 2022. We outside.
Show me some of y'all products, cause I know y'all coming with the seat drip and all the mini bike merch. You feel me?
All right, so we got the Fat Seat Drip by Fastlane Mini Bikes. We do custom seats for all styles of mini bikes. We got the one of the slogans: mandatory mini bikes are not cheap. We got our addicted to mini bike racing merch.
You gotta meet this guy. This guy's connected.
Yeah.
Joe has brought you some.
We got a Fastlane throttle, carburetor display with the throttle.
Oh yeah, you know it's good if it snap back.
Yeah, for sure. You already know, throttle check. We got these on Alki Art Gas, ready to rock. We got the Fastlane Mini Bikes merch. Feel me? Y'all know the Thrasher with the Thrasher logo. got the powder coated. We got the powder coated accessories, powder coated rims, blower covers, gas tanks, fuel line. Then we got some BDMS D5 heads for sale, man. I'm ready to get them right out here. Then we got some BDMS street port heads, catch can clamps, you know, engine stands, little FLR. Hey, first mini bike crew from LA with their own intakes. Yeah, man, tap in with us, though.
Finished the wrap at like 12:30. I folded up all the panels and then shot it in the car and then sent it. So, you know, it happens. We love it. We love it.
Because I ran slicks on mine and I hit a pothole. Feel everything. And sometimes it's getting. Yeah, for sure.
We got 100-mile-an-hour mic up in the building.
We're about to hold.
Fast boys.
Eastside racing, baby. Waiting for a race. Then I line them up and I knock them down.
Who you calling out next?
Whoever. I don't give a what they got. I don't even care. Just bring it.
My name's Joe. I'm from the city, from San Francisco, man.
Mike, please. That's Mike.
You guys are the drag racers, huh?
Yeah.
I watch all them videos, man, on YouTube. Man.
Yeah.
It ain't no joke.
It's Day right here.
That's a cameraman.
Oh, hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Little Joe from the San Francisco Bay Area, Oakland.
There you go.
Okay, way down here.
Came down here at the last. I got a bunch of mini bikes, but just came down here to check this out, man. It's super nice, man.
700 miles away, huh? From 400. That's far enough.
Hey, nice meeting you guys.
Same here, man.
What's the talk of the town, man?
Yeah.
Me and you, baby.
Me and you?
Me and you, the quarter. When you're ready.
Quarter mile racing.
I'm
Fast
ready.
Mike.
I'm ready when you're ready.
Fast lane Cleve.
Oh,
I'm gonna tell you
man.
right now. You gotta have to catch me.
I ain't gonna have to catch you.
Yes, you is.
Well, I don't know. Cleve 100-mile-an-hour too. You 100-mile-an-hour.
You gotta catch me.
So.
Gotta catch you, huh?
Gotta catch you. You
right,
catch
Mike.
me, I'll give you a prop, nigga.
Y'all heard it, man. Y'all heard it.
Gotta catch me. I'm just tell you what I know, nigga. That motherfucker, I'm out. You gotta catch me. Anyone top
I
end like
ain't gonna say too much.
Hey, Joe, what you
Just
think?
do it on the track.
Cleve and Mike talking about racing.
100-mile-an-hour bikes against each other.
You know they both go 100.
Here's what I think. It went from everybody saying they had a 100-mile-an-hour bike to now there really being a handful of real 100-mile-an-hour bikes.
Yeah.
How many 100-mile-an-hour bikes?
There's still only less
there?
than 5.
Not many.
They're only less than 5.
Who are they?
All right.
Me, him, and whoever else. I don't give a shit. They can bring it.
All right.
Bring your ass. You gotta catch me. That's
Are we
all
going
I
on the
gotta tell
dyno?
you. No, I ain't got. I only don't know. I don't know
dyno
today.
No dyno.
No
All
dyno.
right.
I'm rocked and ready to go.
Rocked and ready.
We ought to start a 100-mile-an-hour club then, Day Day. That's what we'll do.
Yeah,
sir, yes,
100-mile-an-hour club only.
And don't forget that Day Day will be hosting. He'll be the host of a Joe's Mini Bike Reunion podcast. Where he'll be doing the talking instead of me, and he'll be inviting the guests. So check him out. Early 2023.
There you go.
Yeah, baby, the flood bike is ready. It's ready.
got loud real fast. What's up, Jake Mo?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
What's going on, man? How are you?
Congratulations for the Hall of Fame, man.
You like my Joe Biden speech or what?
It was good.
Right on, man. Good seeing you.
There's so many bikes, y'all. I don't even know where to record first. There's so many dang bikes. How's it going, y'all?
It's all boost and bike.
Nice. Oh no, you good. No, you're good. You're not in the way. Trust.
Credit card, somebody gets him right now. There's a drone somewhere. Oh my God, it's right in front of us. Wow. My name is Radio 80s channel. And if you have not seen what's going on in
We got a little E in the building. Yeah. Little E in the building. We got Votes over here, y'all. Mr. Votes.
Okay, well, you can walk from there, or you can
Oh, we even brought the
drive to the next light.
Philly.
Good. Come on.
She got that bike out,
What's going
huh?
on?
He got that bike out. Hey, I got the most ratchet one out of all of them.
That's best in show. That's the best.
Whee, you got the sharper guard out. Diesel, I stole your bike, man.
Yeah, you know we got the hottest and cleanest bike out here. You feel me? Check this bitch out. Throttle check.
Throttle check. Throttle check. 100-mile-an-hour Mike once again, back again, huh?
Man, here's what it is, bro. Breakfast. We need it every morning.
Eat it every morning.
Tell you that, I
What's
got
up?
shit than that, man.
CGR. Only person out here saying this, man. Nobody here saying nothing. So like, I have to be the first one.
I'm gonna knock that 9 on 10. I'm gonna put it to 6.
Good luck.
I don't need no luck.
Y'all hear this, right? So when he lose, I want y'all to put the camera right back on his face.
Win or lose, nigga, I'm gonna race. Win or lose. I got a bike. I race my shit.
I don't gotta talk.
I race my shit.
I don't gotta talk.
I race my shit.
Well, come on, let's start that motherfucking line.
Nigga, I'll race. I don't know what you're talking about all for the cameras.
I don't gotta talk.
I don't gotta get permission to race, nigga. I'm race ready whenever. I'm race ready whenever.